Hey, hello. All right, number 33. Over 3 years, you save your earnings from a summer job. And this polynomial represents your savings with interest. This says the annual interest rate is x minus 1, and we need to find the interest rate so that we will have $4,000 at the end of 3 years. So we want this function value to equal $4,000, or this polynomial. So what we can do, what we really want to find out is we can solve for x if we have this function, if we have a function that we can set equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 4,000 from both sides, and then we have this equation, which now we can talk about a function, this function, and we want to find the zeros for this function, because when we find the zeros for this function, it's going to tell us what x value makes this equal 0, and that's going to tell us when our savings polynomial equals 4,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this function and put it into this calculator. Okay, so f of x equals 1600 x to the third plus 1200 x squared plus 800x minus 4,000. And remember that was from 0 to 3 years, so that's really where we need to look, right? And look at that, boom. Where is this function equal to 0? At 1.048. So the function value is 0 when x is 1.048, so 1.048 is our 0 for this function. So x equals 1.048 is a 0 of our function. So what does that tell us about our interest rate? The interest rate is x minus 1. So if I subtract 1 from this, I get 0.048. And my interest rate is, if I want to express it as a percent, move the decimal over twice, and it is 4.8% interest. Thanks for coming. Talk to you later.